To continue with our group division, I have a problem before me here. 3,936. I want to divide that by 32. So look at 1,000. This is 3,900. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Hundreds category 900. 3 tens, and 6 units. We have 6 units here. So I have created my dividend. Now ask myself a group division question. I have thousands here. This is my memory marker. So I'm on thousands now. Ask myself a group division question. Can I make groups of 32? Our divisor says 32. Can I make groups of 32 out of my thousands? No. So consider 2 categories. I'll move my thousands here to the hundreds. Bring my memory marker here. Now I have 39 hundreds. How many groups of 32 can I make out of my hundreds? Here 39 hundreds. So let's do that. This one group of 32 hundreds. So I can only make one group. I can only make one group of 32 hundreds. So I'm going to write that down. So in my hundreds category, I can only make one group of 32 hundreds. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hundreds left here. I'll move my 700 now to the tens category. So I'll be considering 2 categories now. I'll move my memory marker to the tens category. So how many tens do I have now? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 73 tens. I have 73 tens. How many groups of 32 can I make out of my 73 tens? Let's do that. 32. I have one group of 32. I can exchange the remaining 100 here for 10 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens. So I exchange now. So let's continue to make our groups. So I have another group of 32 tens. So that's all that I can make out of the quantity I have here under tens. So how many groups of 32 tens have I made? 1, 2 groups. Two. So in my tens category, I could make 2 groups of 32 tens. I'll move my memory marker to the units. Ask myself again, I'll bring my tens here now, the remaining tens. How many tens do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 96 tens. 96 units. This is a unit category. I have 96 units. I'm considering two categories. 96 units. So we ask ourselves again, how many groups of 32 can I make out of my 96 units? Let's go and make our groups. Units, one group. Units, another group. Units, another group. So how many groups of 32 units have I been able to make out of my 96 units? 1, 2, 3. I mean 3 groups of 32 units. So I write 3. So we have a quotient here. 3,936 divided by 32. We are having a quotient of 123. I'm going to write that here. If we want to calculate or find out if we are correct, we can add up our quantities here and see if we are going to get the dividend we started with, which is 3,936. So let's go and add all the quantities here and see if we are going to get our dividend back. Let's find out the values of our groups here, the quantities, to see if we are going to have the dividend we started with. Now here I have just one group of 32 hundreds. So 32 hundreds, divide that 32 hundreds means we have 2 zeros. So 32 hundreds is the same thing as 3,200. Then we come to the tens category. We have 32 tens. We have 2 groups of that. So 32 tens means there's just 1 zero. So 32 tens is the same thing as 320. We have 2 groups, so I multiply that by 2. 0 times 2, 0, 2 times 2, 4, 3 times 2, 6, that's 640. We add that to our previous value, 640. Now we look at our next category, which is 32 units. 32 units, we have that in 3 places, 3 groups. So let's calculate our value here. 32 units in 3 places. So I have 2 times 3, 6, 3 times 3, 9. So 96. Now let's add everything together. You can use a straight edge to draw straight, beautiful line, horizontal line. So 0 plus 0, 0 plus 6, 6. 4 plus 0 plus 4, 0, 4, 4 plus 9, 13. Bring 110 to 100 to the hundredths category. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. And then we have 3 here, 3,000. So we have 3,936, which is the dividend we started with, 3,936. So our answer is correct. 3,936 divided by 32 equals 123.